Minista wa Ukaria wa ndani na mibango ya thirikari Profesa Kithure Kindiki narutite mukana kiri rutere ruregani na thirikari rurira rutongoretwe ni Raila Odinga akiugaga maria makarutha maandamano magacemania na njara endasha ya thirikari norontete maria makwandamana akiuga ni methiritwe makirutha uthukangia rietwanirie maandamano ontoria matitikiria mo mari thirikari buicite ore agwati mbaru mamwe ma azimio mekirwe mbengu kimya kithiru no ntuwa kwithirwa makiandamana na borebo gwataniro ino ya azimio ni botete kuga ati kiumia giki turi tuku ya wethatu gutithirwa kwina maandamano na ntukunu makethirwa makiukia kubagiteyo antu maria mauragirwe kiri maandamano kiumia kithiru.
Akiaria nteresha Baringo South Minister Ukaria bwandene kiri mongojo wa Kenya Kithure Kindiki na ritite mukana jo murito kirute ruregani na thirikari rwarwithirite rukithithia maandamano ntuku ikurukite au kanyumene akiuga boto kata thirikari bakubata uru bwa kwandamana indi ni urabate kuthithia maandamano jade na thiri.
We are not suffocating any freedoms in this country. The Constitution allows people to do politics, to disagree in terms of policies. There is nothing wrong with the opposition disagreeing with government on policies. There is no problem the opposition having rallies and meetings which are purely political, but we have a problem with violent riots where property is being destroyed, people are being hurt, the economy is being shut down, public transport is paralyzed. We will not allow people to hide under the guise of political rights.
Kuruki Kindiki naugite Jumatano ijiri kurukite ni bategere bona kethira kuri na maandamano jari na thiri jakathithika akiuga jatonekana buru na nikyo baritire rutha kiri bodi sibeta kwaragania biuthurano biu na kiumia kithiru buga batitikiria maandamano buru.
We thought those who were demonstrating would be peaceful, but by the time we realized a lot of damage, a lot of bloodshed, a lot of destruction had been committed. By the time we asked the security forces to move in and disrupt those criminals, it was in the afternoon, and you could see the damage that had already been caused. And that is why last week we decided we are not going to allow the same criminals to do what they did 2 Wednesdays ago.
Na nande au kentuko ya Jumatano kwirigiri maandamano jange Kindiki naugite bari tayari kurwana nabo akiuga polisi bakethwa bari tuone biu birigiri maandamano kumatha mugwanja cia rukiri.
We are ready for them. We will deploy from 1 a.m. We will make sure that no hooligan, no criminal, no looter gets his way. Let people do their politics peacefully and in a civilian manner. Kwanza ile ya last week, hizi siku tatu hili ilikuwa kidogo. This time round will be even more vicious. Wasijaribu.
KIRI podrande toshewero reakwari yetu ni mutugi kare.